Are you even thinking about selling your home here in Huntsville? Maybe not today, but sometime soon. If you are, there's something I want you to know before you ever put a sign in the yard. Because right now, buyers have options, and the homes that sell quickly and for top dollar aren't always the biggest or the fanciest. They're the ones that are prepared the right way. I worked with homeowners here in Huntsville who really thought they were ready. Great location, solid house, nothing obviously wrong. But once we went live, buyers were hesitating. They liked the home, but they weren't committing. And when we stepped back and looked at it together, the issue wasn't the house itself. It was the little things that were quietly creating doubt. Rooms that felt crowded, some repairs that had been put off, and details that made buyers think, this might be more work than I want. Once we addressed those, simplified the space, handled a few strategic fixes, and repositioned the home, everything changed. More interest, stronger offers, and a much smoother sale. And that's the part most sellers miss. Preparing your home isn't about making it perfect. It's about removing the friction and helping buyers feel confident saying yes. When I help a seller get ready, the first place I always start is with cleanliness and clutter. Buyers need to picture their life in the home, and that's really hard to do when surfaces are full or spaces feel busy. Clearing off counters, paring down furniture, and getting everything truly clean lets the home breathe. And in a competitive market, that instantly makes it feel more valuable. Once the home feels clean and open, the next thing I look at is how easy it feels to a buyer. That means fixing the small stuff, leaky faucets, scuffed paint, loose handles, and paying attention to the curb appeal. Most buyers moving to Huntsville want something that feels well maintained, not another project. After that, it's all about how the home lives and flows. Staging doesn't have to be fancy, it just needs to be intentional. Furniture should show off the space, not block it. Light and natural colors help buyers focus on the home itself, and natural light changes everything. When a home feels good to walk through, buyers stay longer, and that emotional connection matters. Once the home looks and feels right, pricing becomes critical. Price it too high, and buyers scroll right past it. Price it too low, and you're leaving money on the table. Huntsville is growing, but pricing still has to be backed by real data. What's selling, what buyers are responding to, and what your specific neighborhood supports. And this is where having the right agent really changes the experience. Selling a home isn't just about listing it. It's about positioning it correctly from day one. Preparation, pricing, marketing, and timing all work better when they're guided by someone who truly knows the Huntsville market. Preparing your home for sale doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With the right plan and a few smart decisions, it can actually be a smooth, even exciting process. If you're thinking about selling in Huntsville and want honest advice on prepping, pricing, or timing, reach out. Let's make sure your home sells for the best price in the shortest time with the least amount of stress.